Lovable is great for building web apps, but if you want to vibe code a mobile app, there are a few more steps involved. But don't you worry your pretty little head, because I got you. We're going to use a combination of React Native and Firebase, but before we look under the hood, it's important for you to understand why building mobile apps is inherently different from building web apps. Mobile apps rely on hardware that is native to the platform they're running on, so the code that works on your Android device is going to be different from the code that works on your iOS device. But the good news is, React lets you write the code base once and then lets that code transpile into Android, iOS, and web. So step 1, go to cursor, describe the web app you're trying to build, ask for it to be built in React Native with a Firebase integration. Oh yeah, and make sure you're using Expo to build this project because it very easily sets you up with emulators, which are like virtual phones that you can test your mobile app on locally before you publish it. Let's talk about Firebase for a bit. Think about Firebase as the backend for your mobile application, and there are 3 services that you need to activate that are essential. Authentication for users to sign into your platform, Firestone database for you to store transactional data that you're probably going to be writing data schemas for, and lastly, Firebase storage, which is for blob storage like audio, video, and image files that your application may end up needing. You're also going to have to write out the functions that are going to serve as your serverless backend, and then you're going to have to deploy them to your Firebase project. And finally, when you're ready for your mobile app to be published and become available on the respective app store, there are a few extra steps. For example, in order to publish an iOS app, you first have to become a member of the Apple Developer Program. That's $99 a year, and then you have to have your app approved before it's available to download from the App Store.